Hello, I'm Dr. Anthony Fiorini. Here at Upper Cervical Strongsville, we do not treat symptoms. What we do is return the body to its natural healing state. When that natural healing state is restored, symptoms such as tension headache, migraine headache, dizziness, vertigo, and pain from the top of your head to your feet can respond from an upper cervical adjustment. Why do we want to treat the upper cervical area? Chiropractors that utilize upper cervical manipulation, adjustment, or treatment are concerned with one thing, that is to reduce the effects of past injury or past misalignment from some cause. And it may even be a recent injury. The atlas vertebra, or the first vertebra, is very susceptible to misalignment because it is a freely movable area of the upper neck. Once misaligned, it is not likely to go back into alignment by itself. One of the things we ask our patients is to tell us about past injuries. Questions like, when did this begin? How did this start? Are really very important. A normal, healthy back does not let go just by picking up a small piece of paper from the floor. The back is weakened, and you may not know it, and just a little movement can bring on the pain. The solution is getting rid of nerve interference to the upper cervical area that could be causing pain and other symptoms and problems throughout the body. Imagine someone comes into our office and has tremendous foot pain. This individual may have seen a specialist and their feet were just fine in regards to a medical diagnosis. However, to an upper cervical chiropractor, it could mean a posture problem coming from the upper neck. Think about this. Imagine a curtain rod with nice rows of curtain hanging nice and straight. What do you think would happen to those nice rows of fabric if the curtain rod was tilted or installed the wrong way? Those nicely formed rows would now have a kink in them, and they would never appear straight as long as that curtain rod was tilted. In our spines, that particular kink would eventually cause a lot of back pain because of the stress involved at that point. The atlas that is in the upper neck is like that curtain rod that gets misaligned and causes the kink in the rows, so to speak, but in the mid or lower spine. It causes pain and stress at that point or throughout the spine. Also, there may be weight imbalance because of that. You may have been told that nothing could be done. Think about what you just heard, and maybe you can join the thousands of people that have had this treatment and had their health restored. Not to mention the thousands of people that have had this care and prevented conditions from happening in the first place. I'm Dr. Anthony Fiorini of Upper Cervical Strongsville. Thank you for watching my educational series on upper cervical care.